Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm going to be showing how to get this makeup look. This is a Barbie inspired makeup look because Barbie's movie is coming up, and so there is a lot of trend about Barbie going on, so I thought let's join the trend and do a makeup look. Although this is just one of them. I'm gonna do some other makeup look and I'm gonna wear something else also, but I'm just gonna do that on Instagram. So if you guys also want to follow me on Instagram, then my Instagram username is Prishita Pathak. So it's here also. So if you guys want to check me on Instagram, then please go ahead. And for now, if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. So to begin the makeup, I'm gonna be applying this foundation. This is from Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Foundation. Now I'm gonna be applying this Swiss Beauty Concealer. Now I'm gonna apply this loose powder. This is from Color Essence. I'm applying the powder all over my face because I want a matte finish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill my eyebrows. Now next I'm gonna apply eyeshadow. For that I'm gonna be taking this K-Beauty eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna be taking this Revolution eyeshadow palette as well. I'm gonna be using some colors from this. So it is a Barbie kind of makeup, so that means that it's gonna be pink. So I'm gonna use these two colors on my upper eyelid. Then I'm gonna do something under my eyes here as well. So first we are gonna do the upper eyelid. I'm gonna take this. Now I'm gonna apply this color as my transition shade. Now I'm gonna apply this spice color a little bit on my outer corner. So now I'm just gonna take the shimmery peach shade with my finger and I'm gonna apply this peach color in the inner part of my eyelids. I'm gonna do the same on this eye. Now I'm gonna take this color which looks kind of like rose, and along with that color I'm gonna take this coral color which is pink, and I'm gonna apply this color onto my lower lid. Now since I want this eye look to pop, so I'm just gonna use a black eyeshadow as my eyeliner. So my eyeliner does not look very much with this eye look. Now I'm just gonna keep it simple. Next I'm gonna be applying this blush. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. So I'm gonna focus this blush on the apple of my cheeks. Because this is a Barbie look, so it's going to be pink. Now I'm gonna apply this highlighter. This is from Nykaa. And I forgot to apply the bronzer, so I'm gonna be applying this bronzer. This is from Nykaa. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. This is Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Now I'm gonna be applying this lipstick. This is from Nykaa. I'm also gonna apply this white kajal on my waterline. Now I'm gonna be setting my makeup with this face mask by Mario Badescu. So I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.